Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful tea light holder which is made using paper quilling strips, and here I have used a color combination of white, pink and blue, and this is looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? I have also used the mirror work, so I will share from scratch how to make the base, how to do the center ring portion to fit your tea light perfectly, and how to do all the decorations. And instead of battery operated tea light, you can also use candle tea light. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking my tea light base and wrapping dark pink color 5mm strip around this to make the ring. Just add little glue and keep it little loose because we are going to wrap it with another strip later, so there should be little gap. And just start rotating the strip around the ring. Now tucking another strip inside this, and this way we have to add total 7 strips to create nice and thick ring. So the ring is completely ready. Just secure the end using glue. Putting my tea light base inside this to check whether it is going perfectly or not. Yes, this is perfect. And now I am taking a light pink color 3mm strip and just wrapping it around the ring to create nice diagonal design. Just secure the end using glue. And the beautiful ring base is ready. Then here I am taking cardboard base which is having 10 cm diameter. I have just joined 2 to 3 cardboard pieces together which are 1mm cardboards to create thick base, and now I am just covering this using pink color craft paper. This is 90 GSM craft paper. So adding lots of glue, stick it on the paper, then cut the paper from edge in fringes and just stick it using glue. So this is completely done. Now I am just covering the top using same size pink color paper circle. Burnish it nicely using bone folder, and the base for tea light is ready. Nice and sturdy. Then taking back the ring, add little glue on the base and stick it exactly in the center of your cardboard base. Just eyeball it and putting my tea light inside this so that it will have nice circular shape. Measuring it from all sides to check whether it is in center or not, and adjust it according to that. So this is perfectly stuck. Then keeping it aside and starting with my first quilling design. For this I am taking half strip of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Then for neck shape, here I am taking one strip of dark pink color and making one tight teardrop shape. So for first 2 rows we have these 2 designs. Now taking back my base and add glue around the ring and start connecting your first row using white tight coils. Then for the next row I am sticking pink color teardrop shapes between each white tight coil. Like this, very pretty. Then for next row I am taking here half strip of dark blue color and half strip of light blue color and making one tight coil. Then for next shape, here I am taking 1/4 strip of navy blue color in 3mm and making one tight coil. For all my decorations I am using 3mm strips only. So this is done. Now here we have 27 teardrop shapes, so I have divided in 9 equal parts. So I am connecting my blue tight coils on each teardrop shape and leaving 2 teardrops between each design. So after each third teardrop we have to add our tight coils. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. So according to your number of pieces you have to divide your design. If you have even number like 28, so divide in 4 parts, or just like me in 3 parts. Now on both sides of the blue tight coils I am connecting navy blue color small tight coils. Like this. After that, here I am taking half strip of light pink color and making one bended leaf shape. Add glue on both sides of this pattern and I am sticking bended leaf shapes to create a complete leaf pattern like this. Add glue on tip of the leaf each time when you connect the another leaf so that it will connect with each other nicely. and this is completely ready. Then here I am sticking half strip of white color tight coils between each pattern. Then for the next shape, here I have created 1/4 strip of dark blue color tight coils which I am adding on tip of leaf pattern. Then I am taking a 1/4 strip of pink color tight coils which I am adding on both sides of blue color tight coils. Like this. Then for next shape, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color and half strip of pink color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this petal using dark pink color strip and Malaysian flower petal is ready. Similarly, we need one more, so just joining both the petals together. Then for next shape, I am taking half strip of white and half strip of light pink color and making one tight leaf shape. Then sticking it in the middle of both the Malaysian flower petals, that is in the center, and this is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared total 9 designs. So I am adding these Malaysian flower petals between on top of white tight coils. Like this, very pretty. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of purple color and making one small leaf shape. Similarly, we need one more for one section. So I am sticking these small leaf shapes between the gap of white tight coil and the light pink color leaf shapes. So in this way you can fill small gaps using teeny mini designs. And our beautiful decorated quilling part is completely done. Then I am just adding more decorations using mirrors. So here I am taking leaf shape mirrors which I am adding on dark pink color teardrop shapes below each blue color tight coil. Then on the top between each Malaysian flower petal I am adding small size mirrors in leaf shape, and also I have decorated some of the shapes using small stones in light pink color and dark blue color. And to stick mirrors and stone, here I am using B7000 glue for permanent adhesion. And this is done. So a beautiful tea light holder with mirror work is completely ready. Now I am just putting my battery operated tea light inside this. You can also use candle tea light. It's completely safe. and the color combination is looking very pretty. So in this way you can make your own tea lights in upcoming Diwali festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.